Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today we have a plant of Aeonium haworthii and it is non-variegated type. Okay, there isn't any sort of variegation. You can see it is totally what is called as the greenish one. Okay, it is very similar to another plant that is called as Graptoputellum and McDougalley. Okay, so now we will try to propagate it from leaves. So now you can see that we need to remove all the leaves from the lower ends of this plant. Okay, now we need to take a lot of leaves because it is having a lot of leaves, so we can remove them out. From one rosette we have taken a lot of leaves. Now from this side we also need to remove some of the leaves. Remove the leaves in such a way that you are not supposed to break it off, all the leaf portion must be in contact with the leaf, especially the part which is with the help of which the leaf is connected to the stem is very important. Okay, if that part is because the stem or the main cells through which our baby will form is entirely dependent on that part. Okay, so remove the whole leaf. Okay, now you can see that we have taken a lot of leaves from our rosettes. Okay, now again we are removing some more leaves. Okay, now we need to place them for like 4 days so that their wounds will become dry and callus will be there. Callus is just a protective layer. Okay, because if we just put the leaf as it is in the media, they can rot. Okay, so okay, now after 4 days we have our leaves and our media. You can see that it is simple, what is called as the compost, simple leaf compost with a little bit of garden soil or negligible garden soil. It is 90% pure compost. Now we will label our compost because we need to put our leaves in this compost. Okay, now we will make some invaginations inside our media to put our leaves in it. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, now we have put the first leaf. Now second leaf. The media is very delicate. This compost is very delicate, so maybe your leaf can move a bit. Okay, so no problem because it is a very light media, so leaves don't need to do any sort of forcing for their roots. Okay, their roots will be more they will feel easy to penetrate inside the media. Okay, now we are placing all of our leaves inside this media. The third one is placed, and now this is the fourth one. We are placing four leaves in each what's called as the media. So 1, 2. One more thing, that the tips of the roots must be inside the media. It is very good. Okay, Yeah, if you do not use to cover, still it is okay, but if it is but it is best to cover them a bit, okay, not too much deep, but a bit of like you can say a bit immersing inside the media. So we have placed all of our leaves inside the media. Now after 22 days, we can see that we have our results. Some of the leaves are gone, yeah, due to some air or wind force or like anything. Maybe one leaf remains there, maybe the leaves become rot. Yeah, so here just 2 leaves have shown propagation of the babies, and here just 1. Okay, and multiple babies are there. You can see that if you see closely, then we can see that there are multiple babies. Okay, now now I will take one. Okay, now you can see the roots development. Okay, now there are roots, although they are not so much big, but still okay, because in 22 days still it is good. Okay, still it is a good progress. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.